Okay, so I've been trying to make the systems that we want to make for the business in a chart like this. So we start with purchasing the truck, then it moves on to picking up the truck, then it moves on to info gathering, then it moves on to the manager's checklist, which involves a preloaded checklist, and then parts that needed to be ordered, a mechanical list, engineering list, paint list, and then each one of those automatically moves over to their paint or engineering or mechanics list or parts list from the data that's put in there. Once we come over to the parts ordering lists, we want to have preloaded emails to, if we're ordering new parts, to have the two suppliers we use preloaded to an email, or if we're ordering used parts, that it has the preloaded, say, 7 suppliers we use, and we want to have an email that's ready to go with all of the new and used emails preloaded, and each make of truck would have a different email list to be sent to. Then it will move over to the panel and paint one, which you've already built for us, which goes through the steam cleaning process, the truck and work bay, then a manager review. Once it's at the manager's review process, I will then choose to continue it on through the paint process, or send it over to engineering, or send it down to the mechanical. The mechanical will have his own list to be done. Once all the work is done, then we move it over to the pre-sales preparing list, which involves us taking the photos and listing this on the online platforms for sale. Then we move it into the sold item, which involves us making the invoice, withdrawing it from the sales platforms, doing a finder's manager's check on it, and then moving it onto our delivery card, which we need to have preloaded options for our drivers' flights and ferry bookings, and be able to give them all of the customers' details to deliver it to. So that's the most basic way I can explain what I'm trying to achieve. If you can have a look and think how we could best use this, whether we use Trello or a different system, there would be, like I say, a lot of preloaded emails with templates we'd like to use this time, and we would like to pull some of the vehicle's data off some websites that we use, and having sort of website links to fast track repetitive processes that we do. So if you can have a look at that, and talk soon.